Hi there makers, it's Gavin here at Minerva and I'm here today to talk to you about the latest Minerva sewing kits we've got for you on site. Now we're particularly excited about the 10 new kits we have for you this month because they both feature our brand new patterns just added to the Minerva Exclusive pattern line. So we have 5 kits for you featuring the beautiful Amelia Dress and 5 kits for you in the super versatile Tracey Jacket. So the Amelia Dress is a T-length empire waisted dress that is perfect for spring going into summer. It's gorgeous, got lovely fluttery sleeves, an A-line silhouette and pairs beautifully with the Viscose Challis fabrics that we have for you. The Tracey Jacket is a unlined shirt style jacket that is super for layering. It's great for the transitional seasons and relatively easy to sew as a jacket as well. So our kits give you absolutely everything you need to make a complete garment. So in addition to the patterns, you'll also receive enough fabric to make any version or size of the pattern. You also get coordinating thread, all the notions that you might need, such as zips, buttons, snaps, interfacing, and you also get a set of sewing needles suitable for the fabric, so you've got literally everything you need to start creating your next garment. Also, our Minerva sewing kits are fully customizable, so what that means is that you can pick and choose which elements that you want, swap out any elements that you don't need. For example, if you fancied sewing up one of our Amelia kits, but you already had the Amelia dress pattern, you could choose to remove that from your kit. If you don't need the sewing needles, you can skip those. If you want a bit of additional fabric, say you want to make some trousers to match your Tracey jacket, you can up the fabric quantities on there. You've got that option to make your kit your way, which I think is something really nice. So, how's about we go and take a look at the patterns that we've got for you this month. First up this month, we have the Amelia Dress for you. Now this is a gorgeous T-length, fluttery, graceful dress that's so fantastic for a whole range of different occasions. I think what's great about it is that depending on your fabric choice, you can go from casual lunch day out with the friends to an extra special fabric for special occasions, weddings, etc. So in terms of features, you've got a mid-length V neckline which is secured with a facing, an empire waist and then gathers around the bust line, giving you that lovely shape to it. It's got these gorgeous fluttery sleeves and a gorgeous A-line skirt which falls to just below the knee length, so giving you that classic tea-dress silhouette. It secures at the back with a concealed zip and you've got back darts in there as well for a little bit of shaping. The length measures approximately 120 centimetres from the nape of your neck to the bottom of the hem, so it hangs just below the knee line. Really nice, suitable length for a lot of people. The Amelia Dress is designed for light to medium weight woven fabrics, and what you want to be looking for is something with a little bit of drape to it, something that will give you that lovely movement to the flutter sleeves and the A-line skirt. So ideal options are a Viscose Challis, cotton lawn, crepe, charmeuse silky satin, anything that will give you that lovely drape movement to it. So for this month's kits, we've chosen 5 options from our Minerva Exclusive Viscose Challis range, and we'll look at those a little later. The second of our patterns this month is the Tracey Jacket. This is an unlined shirt style jacket that effortlessly transitions between the seasons. Depending on the fabric that you choose to make it in, you can have something that's great for the colder months in a thicker fabric, or you can go a bit lighter for a layering piece to see you through spring into autumn. So the key features of this style are very much those kind of shirt style elements. So there is a shirt style collar, a button band down the front, you have shirt style cuffs to it, and you also have a high-low hem, so it's a curved shirt hem finished with a facing that's a little bit lower at the back. Of course, no jacket would be complete without pockets, and the Tracey jacket has 4 options for you. So there are 2 breast pockets and 2 more hand warmer size, slightly larger pockets for further down. These are all finished with top stitching, which give you that additional detail and just a really nice finish. They're all self-lined, so they've got a good finish to them as well. The Tracey pattern is ideal for medium to heavyweight woven fabrics. So depending on how thick and how warm you want the jacket to be, you can choose kind of pattern fabrics appropriately. So it's great for cotton twill, denim, cord. You can use wool fabrics, gabardine, flannel or canvas. And so depending on whether you want a spring, maybe you'll go for a light flannel, a light denim. You could even make it in chambray. For winter, you might want to go for a heavier wool-based coating, for example. There are so many options with the Tracey jacket. So let's take a look at what you get inside your kits. Now, Minerva Exclusive patterns come in 2 size ranges, which cover 20 sizes overall, covering UK sizes 0 to 36. So there's a fabulous range there. The Missy's size are based on a block with a B cup, and the women's size is a more curvy fit and based around a D cup. So if you fit into one of the size ranges that falls somewhere in the middle, then basing it off your general measurements and your cup size, you can choose which of the 2 patterns might work best for you. So inside your kit, you will get a paper pattern. So for both the Tracey and Amelia, our patterns are fully illustrated. There is detailed step-by-step instructions in there that will walk you through every step that's needed to construct your pattern, right down to where to insert your Minerva Exclusive woven label that comes free with the pattern. If you'd like to learn a little bit more visually, we've got full free sew-alongs for both patterns as well, so you can follow along with Diane as she talks you through every step you need to follow. So our patterns come printed on full A0 pattern sheets, so you've got everything there you need to really get started. Now, alongside the pattern and the fabric, you also get a coordinating zip to go with your fabric, coordinating Gutermann thread, hooks and eyes for the back closure of your Amelia dress, lightweight interfacing for the facing around your neckline, and we've also included a set of the hemline sharps needles, which are our preferred needles to use with our Viscose Challis fabric. So all 5 of our Amelia kits are paired up with fabrics from our Minerva Exclusive Viscose Challis range. Now this is one of our most popular and our original Minerva Exclusive fabric, and it is perfect for the Amelia dress. Our Viscose Challis, it's just buttery soft, it's gorgeous to feel against the skin, and it's got that lovely drape and flutter to it, which is perfect for the sleeves, the A-line silhouette of the dress. It just gives you that lovely, slightly vintagey feel to it. It's perfect for spring and summer. It's 100% viscose, so it's a breathable fabric too, and that means it's just lovely to wear. So we've got 5 different options for you in our kits, and first of them is this gorgeous design called Camellia Cottage. Now this is quite a vintage style design. It's got a gorgeous corn blue colour scheme in the background, and on top of that you've got these gorgeous illustrations of flowers. So there are turquoises, mauve lilacs, a bit of coral in there and creams, and they all pop beautifully against that blue background to give you something that's kind of, it's a mid-scale, so suits a lot of people, and it's just a gorgeous colourway. Now we couldn't pick out fabrics from a range of Viscose Challis without picking out one of our top sellers and your most favourites. So this is our Bubble Lights design, which is an absolute joy of a fabric. It's got a deep indigo background to it, But what pops out from it is all those gorgeous overlaid circle kind of bubble designs to it. So there are pinks, yellows, turquoise, blues. It's a real rainbow of colours, and it just makes for such a gorgeous, bright, fun and joyful design. Now, the third of our colourways, this one was inspired by one of our pattern testers, Yvonne, the Wheelie Stitcher. She picked out this spring cascade print for her dress, and we just love it. It is a lovely kind of deep, more mature spring colour scheme. So it's on a kind of khaki olive green background, but with these wonderfully painted flowers all over it. So you've got oranges, mauves, you've got yellows. It's a real array of colours, but all in a slightly more muted palette, and quite a large scale design. But that painterly effect to it just makes it feel really, really special. I think this would be something really good for a special event fabric. Talking of inspiration from our makers, Bird, Sewing Birdie on site, made her pattern test in this gorgeous Prettier Passions print, which is an absolute stunner. Again, this is a really beautifully bright, colourful design. You've got these large flowers in reds and pinks against a green and turquoise background that just gives you that gorgeous summery vibes. It's like sunshine on your skin. It's just a lovely, lovely design. And then lastly, we've picked out this beautiful Daisy Dream design from our Viscose Challis range. So this has a darker, very dark navy background to it, and a lovely, more kind of modern floral design of these little daisies in blues, yellows, coral, bit of turquoise. It's a more modern kind of graphic floral to it, and a kind of mid-sized design. But that navy blue, that deep navy blue, is just so, looks so nice on so many people, and it gives you so many options for pairing up your outfit. So like the Amelia, our Tracey kits come with absolutely everything you need to make your own version of the Tracey jacket. So you can get the Tracey jacket in the same size ranges as Amelia. So you've got your misses and your women's sizes, which you can choose from the drop-down menu on the website. In addition to the fabric, you also get coordinating thread to match your fabric. You get a set of universal needles, which are perfect for sewing with this fabric. You get interfacing for all those elements of the design that need a little bit of extra reinforcement. And what we've decided to do is pair up the Tracey jacket with the heavy duty snaps from Hemline. So snaps for the front and your collar cuffs. And then that way you don't have to worry about whether your domestic machine can handle the buttonholes. You can just snap and go. If you don't know what you're doing with snaps, or you haven't used these ones before, then do make sure you take a look at our full free sew along for this design. Diane will talk you through literally every step of making your Tracey jacket, including getting a good finish with your snaps. So for our Tracey jackets, we have paired up each of the kits with different colourways from our Minerva Core range 100% cotton twill fabric. Now this is a super option for the Tracey jacket because it's got that robust quality to it that you get from twill. What you see with twill is this particularly distinctive diagonal weave to it, and what that weave does is give you additional durability. It makes it more tear resistant, it makes it more wear resistant. So for something like a jacket that you're going to be taking on and off, taking with you, and hopefully using season in, season out, it gives you that assurance that you're going to have something that's going to last you a long time. So we've picked out 5 quite classic shades so you can make a classic jacket. First up is this beautiful beige, which, you know, you can't go wrong with a neutral. Everyone needs some good neutrals in their wardrobe, and this has that benefit of it will go with virtually anything. If you want a more neutral wardrobe, or if you want to pair it up with something a little bit more colourful underneath, you've got that reassurance that then it's going to go. Second up, we've got this gorgeous peacock shade. Now, if you are a fan of teals, you will love this. I certainly do. This has that, it's that beautiful blend of kind of blues with a little bit of green in it. It's just such a lovely colour and will look so fantastic sewn up in your Tracey jacket. Now, if you want something a little bolder, a bit more of a pop of colour, then we've got this fantastic red option. This is such a beautiful, bold, vibrant colour. It also has that kind of nautical vibe to it. So I think if you want a slightly more nautical look to see you through the spring into summer, take away on holidays for walking down by the seaside, I think this would be a really gorgeous choice. If you prefer something maybe a little bit more classic, you can't go wrong with navy blue. So our navy blue is something that will go with virtually any outfit, any colourway. It's one of those colours that looks good on pretty much everybody. So it's a super option, and who doesn't want a navy blue jacket in their wardrobe? And then last of all, we've got this wonderful khaki green shade. This is such a lovely tone. It's got a certain warmth to it. It looks fabulous made up by Annette Art. And if you like that slightly more, that natural vibe you get from a green jacket, but also it's got that slightly military look to it as well, it's a fabulous option. As always, we have tagged the patterns and the fabrics featured in this month's kits below. And you'll also find links to each of the individual kits, so you can go to those pages on site, take a look at the maker inspiration, find out all the different elements that come with those kits, and more importantly, add those kits to your basket. We ship worldwide, so wherever you are in the world, if you see one of these kits that catches your eye, we can get one on its way to you as soon as you like. Now, in case you're interested, today I am wearing the McCall's 6044 men's button-up shirt. And this one is sewn in our Minerva Exclusive cotton poplin, and this is Blazing Bengals. If you like this print, we also have this on a whole range of different Minerva Exclusive base cloths. So hey, maybe you'd like it in Viscose Challis to try it in the Amelia Dress. So let us know in the comments below what you thought about the kits this month. Which of these are you most excited by? Do you love the Amelia Dress? Do you love the Tracey Jacket? Maybe you like both of them. Which kits, which fabric combos do you like the most? We'd love to hear about it. Likewise, if there's a pattern that you'd really like to see us feature in one of our upcoming kits, why don't you let us know in the comments, and you never know, you might see it in one of our kits very soon. If you did enjoy this video, do please give us a like, subscribe to us as well, follow along with the Minerva and Minerva Sewing Kits accounts so that you don't miss any of our latest kits. Happy sewing, and I hope to see you again very soon. Bye.